Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2025 in Salt Lake City, and we're still alive somehow. The sun is outside, we are inside, and this is Miyazaki-san from MelBuild, and you have a lot of really amazing in situ tools and other TEM holders, and can you tell us about your newest, hottest thing this year?
Yeah, we can very new one. So this is all-in-one solution. So this is cooling to the double chilled, vacuum transfer, biasing, heating, all-in-one solutions. So this is very unique. So any focus of to the battery applications. So battery application have to need to the vacuum transfer. Then it means just any user want to the biasing, but no way to the other company. So but our company, I have to the all-in-one solution with the vacuum transfer, cryogenic, to the biasing. Yeah.
So what instruments can this work with?
All of them, yeah.
All of them?
All of them, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any instrument?
Any instrument. Yes, of course, yeah. We have to the any instrument. Yeah, any instrument, yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much,
thank you.
Miyazaki-san.
Yeah, thank you.
And that's all we got from M&M 2025 this year. There might be more videos after this one, but this is the last video that we're filming. So thank you very much, Miyazaki-san, for that. And thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thanks.